Are you looking to update your location on Twitter for PC? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of editing your location on your Twitter profile. To get started, locate and click on your profile image at the top right corner of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Next, click on the button in the top right that says Edit Profile. This will take you to your profile settings where you can make changes to customize your Twitter profile. Within the profile settings, uncheck the box that says Show My Vine Profile. This step is important to ensure that your Vine profile is not displayed. After unchecking the box, locate the text box containing your current location information. Select this text box to make changes. Enter your new location into the text box. This allows you to update your location information to reflect your current whereabouts. Lastly, click on the Save Changes button to apply the updates to your profile. This final step ensures that your edited location is saved successfully. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit your location on Twitter for PC, allowing you to keep your profile information up to date. Enjoy customizing your Twitter profile with this easy-to-follow guide.